Hello everybody, my name is CyberGamerX, and welcome to a Vanilla Command Showcase. Now today, we're going to be showing off Stargates in Vanilla Minecraft 2.0. Now, I will leave a link to my first one that I created of these, which was also my first released command block creation. But, this features optimized graphics, optimized systems, and just basically everything has been improved. I've been working on this now for over 4 months, and I am now proud to present to you Stargates in Vanilla Minecraft Mark II. Now to install this command block module, you're first going to want to download it from our website. Once you've done that, go to your search bar and type in Downloads. Open the folder, and you will see Stargates in Vanilla Minecraft 2.0.zip. Open that, and you'll notice 2 files. You've got a resource pack, which is Stargates Mark 2.zip, and also a folder called Structures. Now, you're going to want to go to your search menu and type in %appdata, exactly like I have written here, hit enter. Go into your .minecraft folder, and then resource packs. You're going to want to drag the Stargates Mark 2.zip into resource packs. Once you have done that, launch Minecraft with the newest release. Now that Minecraft's launched, you want to click Single Player, Create New World. Now in this case, I'm just going to make a simple creative world, nothing fancy, hit Create. Now, if I go back to my .minecraft folder and go into Saves, you'll notice it says New World here. Now, I want to load that and go in it, then copy the structures file into that folder. Okay, now that you've finished copying all the files, it's time to actually put the module into your world. So you're going to want to load the world that you initially created, which you put the structures folder into. Now to load it, you want to type /give your username, then you're going to want to type structure _ and then just put in block, like this. It gets you 1 structure block. Now before you bring it into your world, you're going to want to type /game rule, command block output false. You don't do that, you're going to have a lot in your chat bar, and you don't want that. So, place the structure block down, open it, then go to load. Type in SG, capital letters, --M, and then Minecraft, like that. Hit done just to make sure nothing goes wrong, then hit load. You'll notice that there's a massive box here. Now, anything that is within this box will get deleted. So make sure you don't have anything important in there, because you won't be able to retrieve any of it. Anyways, you're then going to just hit load. Then you have now brought in the first module to making this work. Now, the next one you're going to want to load is going to allow you to it's going to allow the gate to spin. So, once again, place down the structure block, go to load, then SG-Minecraft, and then do ADDRE, so address, hit done just to make sure, and load. Now this is a lot smaller, but this will cause a lot of lag, and it isn't necessary to be in your world to work. Anyways, hit load, and you've now got the next part in. Now, in order to activate these, because they're just in your world, not active, you're going to go over to the first one, and hit activate machine. After you're done that, you're going to want to hit activate scoreboards, and, well, just click that thing. Then, flip down all your levers, make sure there's none flipped up, and I've done this just because structure blocks aren't reliable with command blocks, and multiple threads is better for a computer. Then go over to your second one, press this button, and flick the lever. Stargates has now been installed, and now it's time for the tutorial. So, you're going to need to know how to get your DHD or dial home device and Stargate. So, there are some very basic items you are going to initially want to get, and I guarantee you this is going to take a lot of resources. Because Stargates are very, very powerful. I could not make it cheap. Just a heads up there. So what you're going to want is what you're going to need is some stone, cobblestone, red stained clay, buttons, iron blocks, and redstone. Now, to get the dial home device, you want to drop 1 redstone, 1 iron, 1 button. And this here is your DHD. You've only got one of them with that crafting recipe, but you can do it as much as you like. So you keep getting more. Now, to build the Stargate, you're going to have to build a very specific pattern. You get 1 block wrong, this just plain isn't working. So I'm just going to build that here now, and then I can just cut back when I've finished building it. Okay, I finished building the Stargate structure now, but it's not a Stargate. If you look at it, you're going to want to note a few things about this. The cobblestone on the right side, stone on the left. What that will do is when I look at it from this direction, I'll see the inner ring that spins. However, this side here will be the back. If I were to say swap the cobblestone around, that gets inverted. The reason that exists is because unlike the first Stargates that I had made, and I will leave a link in the description, but the first one, it could only be facing in one direction. This can go in any direction you like, you just have to change the direction this looks. Now, let's bring the Stargate into the world. You're going to want to jump in the center, and I don't have my resource pack enabled. So without a resource pack, this is what it looks like. As you can see, there is a diamond hoe here, and that's actually how I render the Stargate. So I'm just going to put the resource pack in. Okay, we've now got the pack active, and this is a Stargate. As you can see, it is a lot better and just 3D, unlike the last one, which was only a 2D image. And actually, I didn't create that image, I just used one off the internet. This, however, I was one who created this model file. Now, it's not the most detailed, there's better Stargate models, but for what I had to work with, this is relatively detailed. Anyways, I'm just going to build a platform so I can put down my DHD and show you exactly how this works. And my brother, he's already building another Stargate, so we can then dial to it soon. So, to place your DHD, look at a block, right click. Now this is your DHD that will be placed, and as you can see, it faces in that direction. I don't like that! So just right click, and oh yes, you are going to want to type this command for every player, or just put in a command block. / scoreboard, players, set, username, DHT menu, like so, and then 0. Once you've done that, then it'll work.
I hate you. I just killed myself because I didn't know that.
Then, right-click the DHD, then you've got a menu here. Now take the DHD, you hit one of these. So, just hit, say, rotate negatively, and this is this direction I want it facing now. So, it can rotate in all 4 directions. Now, there's some useful information you can get off the DHD about your Stargate you're going to want to know. So go to Gate Info. Then you're going to see a ton of numbers that make absolutely no sense. But these are very important. Because when you're dialing a Stargate, you're going to put in 7 numbers like when you're dialing a phone. So, these numbers can range from anything from 1 to 39. So you're going to want to know these numbers. So I'm just going to quickly get these written down. And you're going to want to do the same, but on your Stargate. All of these numbers for every Stargate in your world will be different. And this is what allows you to do the random teleporting. Now you will notice when you place in a lot of Stargates, and you then go into another world and place in the same Stargates, they're going to get the same addresses, and that's because this uses a pseudo-random system to get the addresses. Because I have to be able to predict every address in the world. Now currently with what you've got installed, you can only have 36 gates. However, it is theoretically possible to get infinite gates into your world. Now, let's see where my brother is and see if he's got a gate ready. Zenith, where are you?
It's dead. I can't get my gate address. It's not connected. What's the radius that my DHD has to be from the gate in order for this to work?
Good question. So the DHD has to be within about a 5-block radius from the center of the Stargate. Now, I may expand that in one of the... if I do an update, but otherwise, it's got to be very close to the Stargate. It's unfortunate, but it's how I designed it. So now what we're going to do is dial to the gate we previously created. So I am going to do a quick cut here because I want my brother in a perfect position so you can see some pretty cool animations that I've created. Okay, so my brother's been positioned, so if you can... okay, he's in a spectator mode, I believe, but he's now viewing the gate, so you'll be seeing it from his view and my view at the same time. So, to dial the gate, you're going to first of all want to go up to the DHD and right-click. Now, that was with a fancy trick with command blocks, but you're in a custom GUI, which then you want to go to dial gate. Now, I'm going to put in the address that you saw earlier. So for me, that would be 38, 4, and 10, 28, 22, and I'm just trying to find it right now. Zenith, get out of the way. 16, and I'm just going to make sure my brother's ready, then I'll put in the last one. Okay, we are now ready. Let's do it. Now, as you can see there was something that went to my face, but, who cares? Now, that is what the Stargate looks like active. So I can now just walk through, and as you notice, I appear at the other Stargate. Now, this can work with an infinite number of gates technically, and also, after about 1 minute, the gate will actually shut down. So, I'm just going to sit here, and then, well, just wait. And as you can see there, you just saw the entire event horizon, which is what it's called, disappear. So that's basically all there is to the Stargate. Now, some other things you're going to want to note is when you look at it, you've got different blocks, and when I break one, the Stargate gets destroyed. And that's actually a good thing to know, because you get all your blocks back, except for the spot that you broke. So, just a tip, break the blocks here so you lose stone and cobblestone. It's a lot better than 9 iron. Now, to remove your DHD, you right-click it, and then you see destroy. You hit that, DHD's gone. Or, say you don't want it destroyed, but you just want to exit, you can just hit the exit button. That also does the same thing. Now I'm just going to destroy this. Now, there is no way to remove the modules from your world, but you could just go use a fill command, you're done. Another thing, you're going to want to have the Stargates module in your spawn chunks, which, again, just check a wiki for it. I can't explain it here, but what that does is allow you to go anywhere in your world and have it work. Now, the last thing, the inner ring that you saw spinning, it can be more detailed. I've got the necessary modules for it. However, I can't do the full animation, so 360 degrees. Because I tested it, and it will not be able to run on anything. We have a very powerful server that we're on right now. It can't even handle it. So, it's a physical impossibility with technology. Anyways, thanks for watching, and what is my brother doing? Zenith!
Dialing and messing up your Stargate?
Well,
Does that really surprise you?
anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.